Alright, hey guys, here we are, hole 7. First look at this from the pro division. So here, what we're going to do is we're going to play probably about 5 rings and we'll just do max curl. So we want to, promote this ball going more to the left, if we can. Keep this out of the trouble on the right. And you can see plenty good enough here. Now let's see if it's long enough to keep us in range. I'm assuming with that wind direction, we should be good. Now this is always going to be a tough holdout. So let's see what we can do. I'm thinking just trying to come off the backspin, let this roll out a little bit. We're going to need to be somewhere around no more than here, or else we're going to touch the max line. Now, the biggest thing that we'll need to see, you'll see this is with one side spin. We need to play, I'm thinking somewhere around 1.5 per. So at 1.5 per side spin, we're going to go right around 4 extra. So if I get this all the way up to a 5, maybe just a hair more, and then other than that, we're just going to pull our normal rings almost spot up towards the max line here. So max is saying 5.1. That's pretty close to what we're going to go. And the reason that we're doing the pull like this is because it's uphill. So it's this whole uphill factor that makes this happen. So you'll see that the second, third, and fourth bounces are just all in the direction of the wind. And it's because of this, and you can see it right here, how uphill this approach is. So as this comes in, watch these bounces. We're trying to get them to bounce straight. It looks like it's just an classic overpull more than anything. So 5.13 is a little bit heavy. We should have been, maybe somewhere around 4.9, and that would have been perfect. But the key here was to look at all my second, third, and fourth bounces. So you could see I had them, if you want to rewind, you can see that I had it going dead straight. That's what I'm trying to do, is I'm trying to create the exact amount to make it go dead straight. So that way when I get the ring adjustment down, we'll just, once I get the ring adjustment spot for that hole, all the bounces will go towards the hole, potentially get the drop. Now keep in mind, you have to only consider really the direction that the wind is pointed. So if it's pointed straight to the left, all the bounces are going to be straight to the left. If it's a tailwind, it's going to bounce forward. It's going to roll out farther. And if it's a headwind, it's going to collapse down as well. But you always have to factor in what angle is it pointed at, because let's say, we had 10-30 wind, we're probably going to use only half as much, maybe even a little bit less than half. So if I went 4 to the side, I would only go maybe 2, at most maybe 1.5 on a 10-30 wind with that seam. So instead of going 4 to the right to counter the wind, I would have used maybe 1.5. So you really just gotta, scale it based on that. So keep all that in mind. Good luck. I'll see you guys on the next one.